Yeah, when I wind toroids, I usually put them on a little carrier board made from perf board, and I put little wire legs. And I use these smaller gauge wires so that if I need to remove this from the board, I can then either just clip the legs off or lift them off, and I'm able to remove it in that way. Use a wire tie just to hold the toroid to the little carrier. That way it doesn't flop around and the little wires break off after a while if you don't do it that way. So I find this works pretty well. This here is a tri-filler toroid for a mixer that I'm working on.